Hi, this is Fran with Stampendous, and I wanted to give you a couple of quick ideas here about a clear stamp set that we call Corny Candy. And as you can see here, the main element to it is the the candy corn here. And because it's a clear set, you can see where you're going to add the other elements on top of the candy corn. So let's, on this one, turn it into a cat. There we go. And then the unicorn has one ear, and just to fit everything into the space, we made this ear separate because of the distance apart it needed to be to fit on the candy corn. But luckily, this also gives us an ear that we're going to use for our cat ears. So it's a little bit funny, but it does work. So I wanted to show you that because I was stamping it and I thought, it's funny, this cat doesn't have any ears. And so anyway, be sure and add some ears for your cat. And here you can see a lot of different fun color and idea combinations that bring it all together. So have some fun with the Corny Candy clear stamp set.